If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. What's good? I'm Juan, and welcome to the Everyday Come Up. It's Mindset Monday. No hype, no quotes, just real perspective for people trying to move better. And today, I want to talk about something a lot of us confuse, and that's intensity. See, everybody want to go all in, all at once, but intensity burns out fast. What changes your life isn't intensity, it's consistency. Small moves that's repeated. Not going hard for 2 weeks, then disappearing for 2 months. That cycle right there is what keeps people stuck. When life be lifing, intensity isn't realistic. You got responsibilities, you got off days. Consistency is what gives you room to be human and still make progress. You don't need the perfect routine. You need something you can actually stick to. 20 minutes a day beats 2 hours once a week. That applies to money, fitness, learning, all of it, the whole spectrum. So I want you to stop asking, how hard can I go? And start asking, what can I repeat? That's the real question. Drop a comment and tell me one thing you're trying to stay consistent with. Nothing fancy, just real. And don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Make smart moves, and I'll see you on the come up.